just west of the Rio Grande River, in the beautiful Shalom Colony area of North Valley. Clean and stately exterior with sprawling green yard lined with mature pines with gorgeous rose bushes. Inside, a celebration of old-world charm with modern updates. Ornate and high-quality woodwork with beamed ceilings and rich wood hearth in the great room. Wrought iron light fixtures with stained glass accents. Adobe constructed Hacienda-style home with a light and bright huge covered central patio with a full mezzanine floor and exterior deck. Very usable living space that is not included in home's square footage, equipped with evaporative cooler. Great kitchen with granite counters, 2 pantries and island breakfast bar and dining area. Expansive family room with wood-burning stove and bar counter. Saltio Tile in kitchen, family room, traffic areas and spacious and bright formal dining room. 3 large bedrooms well separated from the living areas, all with access to the patio courtyard. Also, 2-car attached garage as well as a huge detached garage/workshop with multiple outlets.